In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that isn't working in Windows 10, especially if you're having trouble using it with Google Meet. We're going to address some straightforward solutions that you can implement to get your microphone up and running again. Let's dive right in, shall we? First and foremost, make sure your microphone is plugged in properly. It might sound a bit obvious, but sometimes the simplest things can slip our minds. Also, double check that the physical mute button on the microphone isn't turned on. It's surprising how often this small detail can be the root of the problem. Next, let's have a look at the volume level of your microphone in your system settings. It's crucial to ensure that your microphone's volume isn't set too low, which could make it seem like it's not working when it actually is. Now let's open the settings menu. To do this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. From there, select System and then Sound. Under the Sound settings, locate the Input section. Here you'll need to choose your preferred microphone as the default device. This step ensures that Windows knows exactly which microphone you intend to use. Once you've selected your microphone, adjust the volume slider to a level that is suitable. It's important not to set it too low, as this might be mistaken for a malfunction. A good rule of thumb is to set it to a mid-range level to start with and adjust from there based on your needs. Now, let's turn our attention to your privacy settings. It's essential that Windows is allowed to access your microphone, especially for applications like Google Meet. So again, go to Settings, then navigate to Privacy, and scroll down to Microphone. Check that the switch for Let Apps Access Your Microphone is set to the On position. Additionally, scroll through the list to make sure Google Meet is enabled to use the microphone. Finally, here are some important considerations to keep in mind. If you're using a headset, ensure it's properly connected and functioning. You might also find that restarting your computer can sometimes resolve these little technical glitches. It's a simple step, yet astonishingly effective. Moreover, keeping all your apps up to date is crucial. Make sure you have the latest version of Google Meet installed, as updates often include fixes for hardware compatibility issues. By following these steps, you should have your microphone working correctly in no time. If you're still encountering problems, it might be worth checking your microphone with another device to see if there's a hardware issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.